guys, good evening. This is Sai here from Leapfrog Multimedia. I'm a user interface trainer and UX trainer, user experience trainer. So today I'm going to explain about what exactly it is all about UI designing and UX designing. See, a lot of times people have a wrong perception that UI designing or UX designing both are same, and a lot of times they don't understand that web designing is all about UI designing. Frankly speaking, both are two different entities. I just want to clarify today about the user interface design and how UX involved into user experience, user interface design. See, a lot of times people talk more about softwares. I know Photoshop, I know Illustrator, I know Fireworks, I know this software, I know that software, I know HTML, I know CSS. A lot of people comes to me and tells me that, okay, sir, I want to learn user interface designing or user interface development. Can you teach HTML5? Can you teach HTML? All this. But frankly speaking, probably the people are going wrong in that particular area. See, it's not about UI is not all about a software. User interface and user experience both are mostly onto the thinking process of an individual product. So, if I'm taking a product, probably everybody uses a mobile. So, user experience talks about how a mobile gives me an experience. You take Apple. Why Apple is a successful company? Apple is a successful company because Apple is not only giving a product, Apple is giving you an experience of a beautiful product usage. So, lot of times experience has more value than a product. So these days, if anybody is talking about every product, we have too many products in our hand, but is every product is giving a experience? Is that experience a wonderful experience or it's a irritating experience? Is it creating a irritating experience? So as a user interface designer, I'm going to play a major role whenever I build or whenever I design a interface for a product. Let's take any app. App designing mostly depends on the user interface. Because see, sometime 4 years back, I visited Microsoft, where I really cannot disclose the things. But see, there was a question mark. Why a lot of people are getting into Google? Why people are not taking mail IDs in Hotmail or MSN or any other Microsoft things? So when you observe, I have asked so many people this question: why you people are not really interested to take something from Microsoft? Why you are not using a Microsoft thing? Why you are moving away from Yahoo to Gmail? See, there is a different answers which you get it. A lot of times people say that, it's very easy to use Gmail. It's very convenient and it provides a lot of a space for me. Actually, Microsoft also provides a space, and even Yahoo provides a space. But the comfort levels of a common man who is using mail first time or in the later time, reusability time also, he is feeling comfortable when he is using Gmail than other mail IDs. So just imagine, user interface may give you a great grand endeavor onto the product development level, or it may take you to the other part, that is your product may fail altogether. But whenever people design user interface, a lot of times I observe people talk more about softwares. Frankly speaking, software is a very, very, very small entity, and it is not going to play much thing unless a human thinking process evolve while you are designing the interface. So when we talk, the whole process goes like this. People, if they are designing anything, the process goes like this. They analyze and understand the user activities. Are you really doing your research on to what kind of activities the end user have on this particular product? What kind of habits he has? Are you analyzing and understanding it? Is the first phase of the things. Then I'm going to produce a paper based prototype design. Lot of times I have observed so many people, and even I have trained so many corporates in the top corporates also. Sometimes in the senior level designers, they don't work more of a paper things. That is an unfortunate thing. Any person, anything, if you are designing, you should do your paperwork properly. You should fix everything in your paper first, then only you have to get into the designing part. First do the prototype of in paper, then evaluate the design with end users. You ask them, you put questions, you give this particular prototype and ask them, see what is this, where is, how you are feeling and all. Then getting into design prototype. Again, once you create a design prototype, again you have to put, see, any user interface, the most important part is, lot of times you have to undergo more of a user experience feedbacks. Every level you have to take a user experience feedback, and then you have to take it forward. In my next video, I'm going to explain about the remaining part of the things. Okay? Please feel free to give me a feedback anytime onto this particular thing. Thank you so much. I'll keep update you once in the next coming video. I'm going to